Sa larangan ng sports, hindi magkukulang sa mga bayani ang Pilipinas. Kaya naman kagabi, pinarangalan ng Spin.ph ang magigiting na atleta para sa taong 2013 at 2014. Si dating Gilas head coach Chot Reyes ang pinangalan ng 2013 Sportsman of the Year. Five-time Coach of the Year sa PBA si Coach Chot at siyang nanguna sa Gilas sa FIBA World Cup sa Spain noong nakaraang taon. Espesyal daw ang award na ito dahil ito na marahil ang huling matatanggap niya dahil opisyal na siyang nagretiro sa basketball. Ang itinuturing daw niyang highlight ng kanyang basketball career.
Definitely winning that game in Spain was obviously a highlight. So if you would ask me, perhaps the win over Korea in 2013 and then the win over Senegal in 2014.
Pero ang bida kagabi, si Jimmy Mighty Mouse Alapag na itinanghal na 2014 Sportsman of the Year.
We saw Jimmy who he felt represented all the good things about Gilas. So you can see Jimmy is all heart.
Ikwinento ni Jimmy nang sumabak sila sa FIBA World Cup. Wala raw naniwalang kaya nilang labanan ang mga bansang di hamak na mas matangkad sa kanila.
At that moment, I really understood that this wasn't just about Philippine basketball. This was really about introducing the world to our culture and what being a Filipino really means. It takes a lot for me to get emotional.
Naiyak pa si Jimmy nang pasalamatan ang kanyang pamilya at ang kaibigang si Asi Taulava na siyang nagbigay ng award sa kanya.
If he didn't look out for me the way he did, I don't know if I'd be standing here. I was homesick. I didn't know the difference between Makati and Katipunan when I had to go to Moro for practice. And, this guy would wake up an hour, 2 hours in the morning just to come pick me up. My big brother. Thank you.
Kinilala rin ang top 10 sports heroes and heroines of 2014, 10 atleta at sports teams na tumatak sa Philippine sports noong nakaraang taon. Kabilang dito ang winningest PBA coach na si Tim Cone, Olympic figure skater Michael Martinez, pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao, US Girls Junior Champion golfer Princess Superal, Olympian at Asian Games gold medalist biker Daniel Kaluwag, ang Ateneo Lady Eagles sa volleyball, ang UAAP Basketball Champions National University Bulldogs, at ang San Beda Red Lions na 5 sunod-sunod na ang kampyonato sa NCAA Basketball. Mav Gonzalez, GMA News.